everybody, and meet my adorable egg-laying chickens. Okay, these two beautiful Rhode Island Reds are Raspberry. Say hi. And this is Willow. Also say hi, girly. These two beautiful black hens are Winnie. She's the leader of the pack and has the smallest comb. And this is Hazel. Hi, Hazel. Hi. Hi, Winnie. Hey, girls. How are you doing? You doing good? Well, anyways, guys, that's their nest box. This is their little perch, and they enjoy it very well. And thanks for watching Gigi's Animalia Kingdom. For more footage of cute, adorable little chickens like this,